Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have in my shop 96 Toyota Corolla. The owner called me last week and said, hey, I have to keep pouring water in my radiator. I have a leak somewhere, can you please diagnose it for me and repair it later? So he just came here on Friday or Thursday and we just lifted it really quickly with a jack, and we found immediately that the radiator, this is the top of it and here is the bottom, it was completely rusted around here, and that's where it was clearly leaking. It was dripping right out of the here. There was a crack in it. I already removed it and throw it away in the dumpster, but I guess when it rains it pours. Unfortunately, I just discovered another coolant leak. When the vehicle came for this repair, I ordered the radiator. I saw that on the left side there was dripping water. Well, last night there was some rain here, unusual rain in middle of the summer in California. So it was dripping, few droplets were on this left side and it was water. Obviously, I thought that was collected from the last night rains, but I was wrong. It will need to stop pretty soon, but as you saw by yourself, it still keep dripping. This is already 30 minutes later and I have continuous drip of water. So it's a water pump failure, which I will just show you, and it's not a coolant. It will be obvious if it was a coolant, but it's just the plain water, because in the past week or so the owner was pouring just the normal water to keep the radiator filled up, not to overheat the engine, and just bring it to me for diagnosis and the repair. So this is not happening very often. He came here for a clear repair, replacement of the radiator, new coolant, but now we have different problem. So let me show you what's happening there. I grabbed the light for you so you will see the details. The water pumps, or coolant pump it should be called, are located on the passenger side of the engine, and look at that orange color. That's basically rust coming out of the engine, inside of the engine, so that's why it's orange, and you can see it dripping. Now, how do I zoom on that water pump? Let me try. Do you see maybe that drip, the continuous drip right there? Well, this is exactly pulley of the water pump. You see the pulley a little bit? This is where it's coming from. It's that opening hole which is underneath it, and that basically should start leaking when the seal around the shaft of the water pump or coolant pump gives and it start leaking. I checked for the play. There's no play on the pulley yet, so obviously there wasn't any grinding sound, these horrors you hear when the bearing fails completely. So far, I'm trying to show it to you, but I will probably not succeed. So far it's coming from right there, and maybe, just maybe, I can show you where that water pump is located on this 4-cylinder. It's model 7A-FE. So let's go look. Shouldn't be very hard to get to it. Do you see that? That's a water pump. The reason in this case it's clear, it's a seal around the shaft of the water pump failed and it's no more sealing it, and it's leaking. Power steering pulley, you can see the alternator, so it's right between. I might have found better angle to show it to you, that weep hole on the bottom of the water pump. Do you see it right there? this is from where it's coming. Isn't it amazing? Huh? So now you saw every single detail of it. And that's again something unusual from my shop for you. Just, you know, something entertaining to see what can happen. You can be planning that you do this radiator and you will have this car finished and out of your shop and take another car which is waiting. Well, the plans don't work all the time in this industry. So that somehow, I guess, shows you how it works. I need to go find out if the part is available, create another invoice. Hopefully I can get the owner here. They can come and look at it and see what is really happening and I'm not scamming them or something. So thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.